Okay, so within computer-aided design, one of the most important aspects is to be able to select and hide elements quite fast. And this is something that Fusion is quite good at. So I have over here a step file of a Mecanum wheel. We're going to see that this will be the main part. We're going to have the rollers, the main hub, and in the middle the reduction gear. Now, if I will use the show and hide button over here, I can hide or show those components. If I will mouse over this and I will right click, we're going to see that the hotkey for this will be V in this case. So if I will go over the rollers, if I will press V, those will be hidden. So it will actually do the same as clicking on this visibility button over here. But since the rollers have been created using a circular pattern, if I will extend this, we're going to see that each of those will have an individual sub-assembly over here. So this will be the first one, and now with that selected, if I will press V, that will only unhide that one. Also, if I will just select one over here and I will press V, since they are linked together with a circular pattern, all of the same components will be hidden in this case, as we can see. And if I will further expand this, we're going to see that actually within each of those components, we're going to have an individual origin. And this will be for the spring, again, the origin, the bearing. If I will press Ctrl Z in order to have that visible, I have the possibility over here to right click. And if I will go over here and find in browser or find in window, we're going to see that in this case it will zoom towards that, and within find in browser will actually expand the panel over here. So we're going to see that this will be added within the roller over here. So underneath the roller assembly, we're going to have these roller bodies, and this will be the body. So what actually happens if I will select this, if I will press V, all of those will be unhidden. So we see it over here for that body. But if I will press Ctrl Z, and if I will only uncheck this one, in this case, again, all of those will go together. But if I will go up within the pattern over here, we make this as the active component. If I will just select one and press V, again, all of those will be hidden. But if I will activate the main component and I will select one, press V, again, all of those will be hidden since they will be linked together. We can see over here that this is the body, and we have the possibility to use that V hotkey in order to hide those. We can also uncheck a single roller over here. As you can see, this will only hide that one. So in this case, the following roller. If I want this one, I will see it over here underneath assembly 1. If you don't see exactly this dash dot on the bottom, maybe you have the list quite long, you can always just select it, right click, find in browser, and it will be displayed over here. So that is quite handy. Now, let's say that maybe I've hidden various components, for example, those. And now I will also, let's say, select additionals and press V in order to hide those. If I would want to unhide everything, if I will check over here within the product, we're going to see that this will be the plate, and everything will be, in this case, hidden. But if I will reveal all of those, the other elements that have been previously hidden will not be displayed. And we can right click over here, and we can go over here and show all components or show all bodies. For example, for the reduction gear, if I will right click, show all components, we're going to see that will not actually reveal those. But if I will right click and show all bodies, since those elements are considered to be bodies, they will be controlled using that hide option. So the same over here for the hub, and the same over here for the wheels. And we can use those show and hide either within a sub-assembly, like the rollers over here, or we can use it directly on the main product. So if I will go over here and let's say that I will hide everything, press H, V in this case, because yeah. Okay, so let's hide everything. So I will select everything, press V, they will be hidden. And now if I want to reveal everything within the main product, the main assembly over here, I can just right click over here, show all bodies, and everything that will be nested within those individual sub-assemblies will also be displayed. So this is how we can easily use the visualization settings within Fusion in order to analyze complex assemblies that are created within multiple products over here. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.